So the sun is about ready to go down, and tomorrow we're going to have our beach party. And I want to set up something in the backyard that might be sort of like a homemade splash pad. I have these 2 tarps. They're pretty big. I think between the 2 of them we'll get some good coverage on the grass, and then we'll move the climber over that has the little slide. We'll add a sprinkler to that, and then it'll make a mini water slide. So now we just need to get these tarps spread out and get them stretched across the backyard. When the kids get here after breakfast, we can just come out and they can start with the little beach party. We'll play some music. We have some other things going on out here. And then on the inside, I have a new dramatic place set up for them. This is going to be a smoothie bar. I have some things from the dollar store, some cups, and then I have this life-size fruit, and I have some crazy straws. The Melissa and Doug blender set is really cute. It comes with these little fruit that they can slice up, and then the little blender that actually has like a slight blending action to it. And then I also have some little party favor sunglasses for them. I think they're going to have a lot of fun with. And then I have the sunblock set out ready to go just to make sure the kids are protected when we're out there. It's really hot today. I think what we're going to do is let them play for a while. We'll have breakfast and then go outside till about 9, and then we'll be back in before 11. So making sure we get in before the UV index gets too high. So here's a few clips from the day. I hope you enjoy. We had a lot of fun.